Okay. Now we are going to discuss about 2 marks questions in 15 minutes. Okay. Now, first question. This is from fourth reading. Okay. Second question. Explain the effect of bandwidth in cascading amplifier. Now, if amplifiers are cascaded, bandwidth is decreased. Bandwidth is decreased. Decrease in the sense, okay, what are the limitations we need? Okay, what are the requirements we need? We can limit the bandwidth. Okay, the bandwidth is required in every amplifier. Okay, every amplifier. Sorry, the bandwidth is reduced in every amplifier. A single state amplifier has finite bandwidth. If you cascade multi-stages, more gain achieved, but additional bandwidth is limitations occur. Okay, what it means? See here, I already explained for single tune. For single single tuned amplifier, tuned amplifier. Okay, for single tune amplifiers are cascaded, or the single tuned amplifiers are cascaded. Single tune amplifiers are cascaded. Single tune amplifiers are cascaded. Okay, then bandwidth. Then bandwidth is equal to, okay, see here, how much you can get. Bandwidth is dWn for n stages. D bandwidth for, okay, n number of single tune amplifiers are cascaded. Okay, that is equal to bandwidth for single stage. Okay, into 2 power 1 by n minus 1. 2 power 1 by n. 2 power 1 by n. 2 power 1 by n. Two power 1 by n minus 1 whole power 1 by 2. Whole power 1 by 2. Okay, if you observe here, for bandwidth for single stage, if n stages are cascaded, it is going to be decreased. Okay, it is going to be decreased. Okay, for double tune amplifier, same formula. Bandwidth for n stage is equal to bandwidth into 2 power 1 by n minus 1 whole power 1 by 4 will get. 1 by 4 will get. Okay, generally the when we cascade it, okay, the gain will be increased, bandwidth will be decreased. But single tune to double tune, when you are compare, it is going to be increased. Okay, that's the meaning. That is the meaning. Additional bandwidth limitations occur. Additional bandwidth limitations are occurred. Okay, this is about the second question. Simply you can write this one. Okay. Okay, bandwidth is reduced in every amplifier. A single stage amplifier has finite bandwidth. If we cascade multi stages, more gain achieved, but additional bandwidth limitations occur. That's it. If you need, you can write this formula. Okay, but no need. If you need, it is not a compulsory. Okay, write down the limitations of single tune amplifier with relevant expressions. See, single tune amplifier is required to be high selectivity. Okay, then we can get low selectivity in single. Okay, single stage. That's why. Okay, that is a drawback. Okay, next one. High selective requires a tune circuit with a high Q factor. A high Q factor circuit will have a high voltage gain, which is cause, okay, reducing bandwidth. Reducing bandwidth. These are the limitations. These are the limitations. State Miller theorem. Okay, I already said. Okay, State Miller theorem. What is the meaning? The impedance or capacitance, it will be converted. It is connected to V1 and V2. It is connected to V1 and V2. Okay, or input node to output node. Okay, if you see hybrid pi model, okay, I will show to you hybrid pi model diagram. If you see, hybrid pi model diagram, I already shown to you. In the hybrid pi model, we already know. Okay, in hybrid pi model, we know here RB dash C. Here it is B dash will be there. Okay, here emitter will be there, and we are having collector here. Okay, here R B dash C, R B dash C, and we know the capacitor C dash C. Before that, we know here we are having, here it is a R B B dash will be there, hybrid pi model in that one. R B B dash. Here we know that R B dash C. Okay, here we know that. So here output side. Okay, GCE will be there, and we know here it is current. Okay, dependent current source, these are there. But here, input to output, either impedance or capacitance is connected. Input means base side and collector side. So this is the impedance. Or if you neglect impedance, capacitance is connected. Okay, this one we need to separate from input side to output side. Okay, by using which one? Miller theorem. By using which one? Miller theorem. Okay, then here if you observe here, the Miller theorem said that in a linear circuit, okay, there exists a branch with impedance Z connecting two nodes with a nodal voltage V1 and V2. V1 is the input and output. We can replace this branch by two branches connecting the corresponding nodes. Means that the branch we are going to what I said RCE, sorry RB dash C is going to connect it to the input side and also output side. Okay, corresponding nodes means okay that branch is connected to V1 alone and V2 alone. Okay, to grounded by the impedance respectively. Impedance respectively. This is meaning of the this is the statement of the Miller theorem. If is a impedance is there, we can write Z divided by 1 minus K, and K, this is the input side, this is the output side. This is the output side. If it is a capacitance, it should be reversed. If it is a capacitance, it should be reversed. Okay, state Miller theorem is nothing but the impedance or capacitance should be connected to the input node and output node. That we need to separate. Okay, input node and output node, there is no need of, there should not be any connection. When it is not a connection, okay, the input node side, the impedance has to connect with respect to ground. The same impedance has to connect it to the output node with respect to the ground. That's it. Okay, for that one, we have to make input side Z is equal to 1 by K and K into Z by, okay, or Z into K by K minus 1. Next one, different Q factor. I given three definitions. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, if you refer our materials, okay, I given the one of the definition is quality factor is the ratio of voltage drop across the inductor to the voltage drop across the resistor. I said, okay. Or another definition I said that the Q factor is a circuit defined as the ratio of energy stored in the circuit in the energy loss per cycle at resonant in the circuit. That too, and this is also it is defined as a measure of the quality of tuned circuit, and it is the ratio of inductive reactance, means voltage drop across the inductor to the voltage drop across the resistance is called as a is at the resonance called as a Q factor. Okay, next, when single tuned amplifier is cascaded, what is the effect of the bandwidth of the amplifier? You do one thing, don't try this one. Okay, don't try this. Okay, this much length. Okay, don't write these are. I will show you. Or I will write simple way. They asked that when single tuned amplifier is cascaded, what is the effect of the bandwidth of the cascade amplifier? Okay, just we can note down the for okay. If n stages are cascaded, here I will write. I will write with other color. Red color I will write. Okay, if n stages are cascaded, n stages are cascaded. Okay, also convert color. It's too awkward. Okay. Then stages are cascaded. Then bandwidth for nth stage is equal to bandwidth for the first stage into 2 power 2 power 1 by the 2 power 1 by n minus 1 into whole power okay, whole power 1 by 2. Okay, here also made a mistake, small mistake. Here I said 1 by 4. Yeah, 1 by n only. Sorry, 1 by n. Okay, correct one. I missed that. But here they said 1 by 4. No, it's not 1 by 4. N means okay, n number of stages. If 4 they take it, it's a 4 number of stages. That's what I mean. Okay. This is the formula now for n stages. This is the formula. Okay. For n stages. Next one. Desktop application of tuned amplifier. See, this tuned amplifier we can use okay in RF amplifiers, RF radio frequency amplifiers. Okay. Next, this amplifier can be used in television circuits, and it is used in intermediate frequency amplified circuits, super heterogeneous receivers. Means these are used for communication purpose now. Okay, I already said. Okay, radio frequency is nothing but FM. Okay, in FM stations they can use okay these circuits. Okay, these are the applications. The circuit diagram of matched capacitive coupled amplifier. Matched capacity is nothing but single tune. Another single tune. It is nothing but single tune. Single tuned amplifier. Okay, this is like a which circuit let's say self-bias circuit, but instead of RC, we are going to introduce that okay one resonant circuit. Resonant circuit we are going to introduce. That's it. If two resonant circuits are introduced here, okay, that is double tune. That is double tune. These single tuned amplifier two circuits. Okay, single tuned amplifier. This circuit again we can use one more, but we can call it as a okay stagger tune. Okay. Yeah, different stability of a tuned amplifier with a relevant expression. The stability is nothing but at resonant at resonance resonance F is equal to okay for which circuit now for okay resonant circuit 2 pi root L into C. This is the stability of a tuned circuit. At resonant F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. Okay, this is the answer for stability of the tuned amplifier. Again, see here. What is the effect of the bandwidth in a multi-stage amplifier? Actually, this is from third unit, but we already know this is the question from third unit. Okay, but listen, what's going to be happen now? Okay, when you okay, when the what is the effect of bandwidth on multi-stage amplifier? See, multi-stage amplifier if you connect multi-stage in the sense, okay, a single amplifier you cascaded n number of times. That we can call it as a multi-stage. In multi-stage amplifier, definitely what's going to be happen now? Bandwidth will be reduced, gain will be increased. That's it. Okay, when for n stage FL, okay, they given very clearly. FL is which one? FL is nothing but lower cutoff frequency is always greater than FL. Okay, FH is always less than FH. So Bandwidth of multi-stage amplifier is less than single-stage amplifier. Okay, bandwidth will be reduced. That's it. Mention the salient features of tuned amplifier. Okay, the features. What are the features? Okay, generally tuned amplifier we can use for high selectivity. Means particular frequency I need to select. That's why. Okay, high selectivity, small power loss, small collector supply voltage, used RF amplifiers. This one I said. RF amplifier communication receiver, and the harmonic distortion is very small. Okay, and last one is identify the different types of tuned amplifiers. Tuned amplifiers are there are three types: single tune, double tune, and the stagger tune. That's it. Okay, this is about the 2 marks question. Okay.